Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for baby. This nutrient-rich liquid offers wonderful benefits for your little one's developing body. It supports a healthy gut, aids digestion, and provides essential minerals crucial for growth. Making it at home ensures you control all ingredients, avoiding any unwanted additives. Let's get started on this simple, rewarding process. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of high-quality bones, such as chicken or beef, preferably organic and grass-fed. A tablespoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar is crucial, as it helps extract minerals from the bones. You can also add optional vegetables like carrots, celery, and onion for extra flavor, but keep it simple for baby's first broth. Place your bones in a large pot or slow cooker and cover them completely with filtered water. Add the apple cider vinegar. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. For the first 2 hours, skim off any foam that rises to the surface. Continue to simmer for a minimum of 12 hours or up to 24 hours for a richer broth, ensuring the bones remain submerged. Once simmering is complete, turn off the heat and let the broth cool slightly. Carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all bones and solids. Allow the liquid to cool completely before transferring it to storage containers. You can refrigerate it for 3 to 4 days or freeze it in small portions, like ice cube trays, for convenient future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.